Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just going to do a little backstreet walk down this side here. I'm just walk down from the waltzes, so you've got the Thai corner here, as you can see. You've got the Pinocchio's 7-Eleven over there, and we'll walk straight down there towards Bangyang Markets. So stay with me, keep watching. Hope you like, comment and subscribe. Hit the little bell. So like I said, you've got Thai corner here. Not a bad restaurants. And then next door to that is a pizza place. It says there you can get steak and pizza and stuff. See there. I'm not going to go through the menu. Sassoon shop. Curry Delight, so I'm imagining that's an Indian. Yeah, there's some prices there. Woodhouse Cafe. You can see there's little shops either there, you can walk straight through to sort of Bangyang. Central Cove, that's not open yet. That'll open up in about an hour's time. We have plenty of cars coming down. Just across the road. English Sunday roast there, that's where they do English Sunday roast. If you want a Sunday dinner, got booked by Saturday. So let's have a quick walk over and have a look at that. So you got hot roast, beef or lamb baguettes with horseradish or English mustard or mixed sauce, served with veal, meat gravy, 249 baht. English Sunday roast, served 5 PM this week, roast beef, book it by Saturday please. As you see, happy hour, 5 till 9. Okay. And there you go. Juice from Mars. Okay. We'll keep walking down. Side up. Tom Yong Gung. There you go. So a quick walk this over. Look at the menu. Got plenty of choice there. Sandwiches, burgers, fish. There you go. I'm not going to go all the way through it, but you can see reasonably priced, quite cheap. Recommendations: red curry, roasted duck, fried fish, rice and pineapple, deep fried garlic, and the kids menu. Okay. Let me know what you think of that. You can see you're walking down now. Thai Wison. I think that's how you pronounce it. Okay. And this here then takes you out to Spunky Bunky and the red pepper restaurants. Or sorry, the green pepper restaurant, sorry. Okay, small prices there. And I'll be heading down here now because I'm off to Bangyang Markets. Stay with me and I'll try to catch a few clips on Bangyang Markets. little side street down there, a few bars. There's nothing much down there, just a couple of bars. Okay, so if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll catch you later in the next video. Bye bye.